Welcome back to See My Review, the place where we unbox and explore the hottest drops in fashion, tech, and lifestyle. Today, I've got something really exciting lined up. We're diving into a fresh unboxing of a stunning pair of sneakers that have been making waves lately, the Jordan 1 Retro High OG Washed Pink. Just look at this box. You already know when it's a Jordan box, something legendary is inside. So let's not waste any time. Let's crack this open now that we've got them out of the box. Take a look at these beauties. The washed pink colorway is a women's exclusive release, and it's just clean. The upper features a soft mix of pink suede and white leather that not only looks great but feels premium to the touch. Around the collar and midsole, you'll notice muslin and sail accents that give these kicks a unique vintage vibe, perfect for casual wear or standing out in a crowd. The white laces on that muslin tongue just tie the whole design together. This is the kind of shoe that adds personality to your outfit without trying too hard if you're wondering how to get your hands on these. I've got you covered. There's a special sale going on right now at the website I've linked below in the description. They've got a range of sizes available and the stock won't last long, especially with a sneaker this exclusive. Whether you're a collector, a fashion lover, or just looking for the perfect gift, this is a golden opportunity to grab the Jordan 1 Retro High OG Washed Pink at a great price. So don't wait. Hit that link in the description to check it out right now. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, unbox ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Now that wraps up today's unboxing and review. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to See My Review, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new drop. Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below. The website where you can buy the shoes, their social media links, contact numbers, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you